the Magnificent 7 series featuring NVIDIA. All right, so we're going to look at the NVIDIA chart here in Tradingview, do some technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis. For the fundamental analysis, we'll look at this box here at the bottom right corner here. And this is NVIDIA Semiconductor Company. And we're looking at the volume right now is 293.51 million. The average volume for the 30 days is 332 million. And then we have market capitalization of 2.89 trillion. Looking at earnings, we've consistently beat and raised expectations. The next earnings date, as we can see here, is November 14th. We can also click on the chart here, and it shows November 14th as the next earnings date as well. So there's two ways to look at that using TradingView. Very handy information. And as you're looking at the chart, you can eventually see when that date comes closer and closer. Looking at dividend information here, and then we'll jump right into the income statement. So looking at the income statement, we see a steady increase in this light blue line, a steady increase in income. So that is looking really good there. We can also switch over to the balance sheet, look at assets over liabilities, looking really good there as well. And we can also look at cash flow as well. So we'll just leave that on income statement there. And we'll look at the performance over the last year, 170%, year to date, 139%, 6 months, 30%, and so on as we go down to 1 week. Looking at our technicals, technical rating is a strong buy. And then we have our analyst rating, and the analyst rating is also a strong buy. So we will go and look at the forecast in more detail from the analysts. It looks like 69% believe that the price will go to 200 in the next year, and 26.83% believe it'll go to 149. And then we have about 23.64% that believe it'll go down to $90. So we kind of see what the analysts are looking at there and why we are suggesting that that might be a strong buy. All right, so we'll just jump over here into the chart and look at the technicals here. We do have some technical levels using Fibonacci as well as our moving averages. If we look at our Fibonacci, just looking at this swing here, and then we're looking that we dropped into the 61.8% golden ratio there, pushed off of it, came back, hit it again. Now we're pushing off again. So the idea is that if we hit 618, we'll go ahead and continue upward with a price target of about 140, I guess is our initial target. So we will see, this is a daily chart, it may take a while to get there, but the other confluences that we have is that it is still above the 200-day moving average, which is this blue line here. And then this blue line above it is the 100-day moving average. It has tapped into that and moved up above it, as well as at this point, you know, it is above the 25-day moving average, which is the green and red line here. So it is above. So all of those would indicate that we should be starting a bullish trend here. So we'll have to see what happens the next few days if it starts to continue to move up or not. So that's the forecast for NVIDIA.